it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you very much for joining me for the last of the online extravaganza videos. We've got the last 2 days, so 27th, 28th of November, we're looking at tools and ink. That covers adhesives, applicators, cleaners, cutting tools, embossing folders, dies, ink pads, that sort of thing. Now there are some things excluded. The Stamparatus and the Big Shot are excluded. Quite a lot of the circle punches aren't included. I think this is inventory issues rather than anything else. Most of the blocks, again, because of inventory, are excluded, but it's certainly worth having a look. The trimmer is included. Say quite a lot of the punches are included, but not the circles specifically, or not all of them anyway. So again, you'll need to have a look at that. The leaf is, the cat is. So yes, snail isn't, but a lot of the rest are. So, and the dies. So dies, embossing folders, just not the Big Shot machine itself. So all of these are included. So, assuming you got stamps yesterday, for those sets that are not already bundled, you can now get the matching dies. So these would be the dies and stamps that carried over from a previous catalogue. You can now get the dies to go with the stamps you bought yesterday, and you'll get them at the equivalent of a bundle price. What you can't get is a discount on the bundle, because that's already discounted. So it does, though, mean that if you've already got the stamps for a set and you didn't think you were going to want the dies, today's the day to get the dies. So, lots of lovely stuff to look at. Look at all these embossing folders. So, today is a fill your boots day again. Do remember that you have got until the end of tomorrow, but for online ordering, that's really the equivalent of, I would say, 10 o'clock tomorrow night. I wouldn't run the risk of it being any later than that, because things can go wrong, and if everyone's rushing to put orders in at the end of the day. So do bear that in mind, and also bear in mind that once the particular quantity that Stampin' Up! Have allocated for the sale has gone, they will be deleted from the online store, and you won't be able to get them until after the sale has finished. So just bear that in mind. So I think that's really all I can say, other than to remind you that it is my birthday month, and therefore I have got my birthday giveaway. So for every £30 you spend using the host code during November, you will get an entry into the draw to win a set of many marvellous markers. That's £112.75 in the catalogue, and it could be yours just for shopping with me. So perfect time to make the most of the online extravaganza, and to give the annual catalogue a bit of love, because we've been ignoring it, and it's running until the beginning of June next year, so don't forget it. And there's Christmas in here, because we've got the Under the Mistletoe suite, so don't forget we have got some Christmas in here, so that also is discounted, of course. So anything that's been on in that suite that is dies and that sort of thing is available today. And of course we've also got the carryovers from last time. So if we look at Christmas, let's have a look at Christmas. So today, as I say, we're doing dies and embossing folders. So we've got an embossing folder here. We've got dies that go with the Christmas pines. We've got the cookie cutter punch. We've got dies that go with the Star of Light. We've got dies for the Night in Bethlehem. We've got dies for Snowflake. We've got dies for Hearts Come Home. So lots and lots of Christmas still in here at a discount. So don't forget to make the most of it. Thank you very much indeed for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye!